Dictionary. At dictionary. Wheezing is a high-pitched, whistling sound produced during breathing, primarily when exhaling but sometimes when inhaling. It results from narrowed or obstructed airways, which can be due to conditions like asthma, bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or respiratory infections. Wheezing is often associated with symptoms such as shortness of breath, chest tightness, and coughing. The severity and occurrence of wheezing can vary, and persistent or severe wheezing should be evaluated by a healthcare professional as it may indicate a significant underlying respiratory issue.